Napakaganda mo naman. Ang ganda naman ng damit at tali mo.
Were you playing with Mommy last night?
Ayan, kumakain si Mami. And ayan yung red wine. Bumili si Papa P ng red wine. Nagre-red wine na kasi ako. Hindi talaga ako usually umiinom nito. Pero mas gusto ko yung Pinot Noir. Kasi ayoko ng mga matatamis. Gusto ko yung mga dry lang yung taste. That's ravioli spinach. You want one? Oh, hold it.
It's a nice.
It's nice.
How's it square? You'll love it.
You like it? It's like a noodles. Oh, try it. It's just a square. Come on.
What's inside?
Spinach.
And I got this hot sauce. Maybe it's
Spinach
good.
inside.
Yeah, let's
Try it,
Can I
open.
see it?
figure out where
No, just open it. Parang sa Dubai Chewy cookie, ayaw niya rin yung green. Masarap yan. Just eat it. Hold it, please. No. Haba na ng hair mo, ha. Where's Kuya Brayden? Yan, bilbil mo, lumalabas na. Kumain na to, no? Ay, bye-bye. Bye, come here. Kiss Mommy. Give Mommy a kiss.
Rosa, can you give me one of
Kiss na.
the sharp little knives?
Love you.
Around it.
Ano to, be? Back pain ka na. Babe, what's this?
I just got it for like roll the house so we have it.
Para pala kay Ate Bea.
Try that.
Kasi malakad ba lagi likod?
Try that hot sauce.
What's this? Where did you...
From
Bye.
Mexico.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Maybe it's like Tabasco.
Let's see. But I prefer Tabasco. It's alright.
It's a little bit like Tabasco.
Yeah, it's same with Tabasco, but Tabasco is more strong. So yeah, at least you get some steak. Yeah, the steak in butcher is expensive there in the butchery. But it's good.
I gotta go do some work before people come.
Okay.
But it look like this. I gotta keep shit on the
Gonna work first.
Yeah, I've got to work there. I've got to pay people.
Grabing hangover ko kanina, kaya hindi ako nakasama sa grocery ni Papa P. Si Papa P na lang bumili. Ngayon kasi nagre-red wine na ako. Dati hindi talaga ako guys nagre-red wine. As in, ayoko talaga siya. Pero nagustuhan ko yung Pinot Noir. Kasi pag nagde-date kami ni Papa P, sabi niya masarap yung steak sa red wine. So, itry ko. So, yun. More siya pinakawa. Nakauwi ka na. Kala ko dun ka tulog. Hinapid mo lang? Umuwi ka dun. May barbecue kasi kami mamaya. Binili pa naman ako na pho. Yun dapat kakainin ko pero binili daw to ni Papa P dun sa Brera. The Butcher. Maganda dun yung quality ng mga meat. Kahapon sobrang nalasing kami. Nag-late gold kami. Puro kami shot ng tequila. Tapos nag-dinner pa kami. Tapos dito sa bahay naglaro, nag-inom. Talagang nalasing ang babae. Tequila tapos red wine ang ininom namin. Alam nyo, kahit hindi ako nakakapag-live, nakakatuwa kasi ang dami naming orders every day. Kaya nag-overtime yung mga packers namin kasi sobrang dami naming orders. So thank you so much guys kasi ang bilis talaga ng effect ngayon ng detox, lalo na yung batch ngayon. Sobrang bilis guys. Minsan 3 hours, 4 hours. Like, mas pinalakas and high in fiber siya. And malakas din maka-glowing dahil may collagen glutathione na yan. And sobrang yung raming pagpipilian ng mga flavor. Napakasarap. Lahat masarap. Kasi yung sarap ko. I love you.
I love you.
Sweet na ito sa akin kagabi. Yung nasa kami, playground. Ayan, umorder kayo niyan sa TikTok shop. Super quality niyan. Lalo na itong pure collagen, lakas maka-fresh.